just a Rasta man, walking in Jah way. Feet firm on the earth, heart lifted every day. Sunrise touch my face, blessings in the light. I give thanks to Jah, I keep the vision right. No fear of Babylon, no chain can hold I down. I walk the righteous path through every town. Roots deep in my soul, wisdom guide my hand. I am strong, I am firm, I am a Rasta man. I chant for the people lost and seeking truth, spreading love and guidance, giving strength to youth. When the drums call out in the midnight air, we lift our voices high, Jah protection everywhere. DJ Boyce bring the culture, make the spirit rise. We feel the ancient power flowing through our eyes. I am just a Rasta man, living by the law of light, walking through the shadows, keeping Jah in sight. Mountains high or valleys low, I still overstand, guided by the wisdom of the holy hand. From Zion hills to the rivers wide, I carry Jah message with humble pride. Through trials, through struggles, my heart remains strong, singing with the ancestors, chanting free. I am just a Rasta man, firm in what is true, trotting with my people, till light shining through. Roots, love and wisdom, Jah always in command. I am steady, I am best, I am a Rasta man.